guys, it's Natalia Moon, aka Neon Moon, and today I'm unboxing the Luck Racer gaming chair. Yeah, it's my first gaming chair, which means I'm going to game. So I hope to see you guys there. Get out of here, buddy. Alright guys, let's do this. Woo! Love presents that I buy myself. So this is apparently one of the very popular gaming chairs. So I think I got it for 167 bucks on Amazon. So I was actually going to get the pink one, but I don't know, everything is here is black, so I thought, you know what? Wow. What's this? A little cushion. So they have a footrest, a pillow, and it's a recliner chair. So when you're playing games, you can just lay back and be like, you know. So we got the assembly. Oh God. We'll get back to it. Woohoo! What's this? You can see I get too excited opening these. All right, we got an armrest. So also the armrest can go down and up, or you can take them off. If you don't want to have an armrest, let's put that there. Hopefully it's easy to put together. Woo! What else have we got? What else is in here? Oh. Oh, that's the pillow. Oh, hang on. We got the pillow. All right. Wonderful. Oh, that must be the footrest. Yeah. Let's open it up. It looks like I'm sponsored. I am not. All right, this is the, yeah, footrest. Woo! So it comes with a, ooh. So it comes with all of the bolts, and it even comes with a, one of those, what is this called? A wrench. So they make it pretty easy for you. Oh. It's like never ending. It's like Mary Poppins. I'm so excited! My chair, I've had it for like 3 years. And I mean, I think I got that chair for like 50 bucks. And that was like a secondhand chair. I'm gonna have some comfort. All right. Oh my God, I love it. I got black and gray so that it would match my place. It's so funny, my friends always like, you have no color in your house. Like, where's the color? And I was like, right here. I'm the color. All right. I need to have like all black in here so that, wheels. So I need to have no color in here so that all the creativity is right here. It's right here. Otherwise, if you see like bright colors, you'll be happy. How can you write a sad song when you're happy? Woo! From Lady Liberty. All right. We're getting there. This is too much fun. Up. All right, we'll get to that. And I am going to put it together, believe it or not. All right. Oh. Apparently it's supposed to be pretty easy. So these are the levers to lift up and down for the chair. Lucky I've got a lot of desk space. It's quite a lot of bits and pieces. What is this? Woo! even know what this is. Alright. It's never ending. What have we got? Everything's packed pretty well. This must be the... Oh, must be the... Oh, it must be the footrest. I guess. We will get back to it. And then, woo! Last piece. I can't wait. I ordered a controller and it just came, like, I don't know, I must have read it wrong and it was just the controller, like, color things you put on the end. So I had to order another one. So I'm waiting for that to come. And we can all play. I got Discord, guys, so I'll link it below. This is amazing! Oh my god. This is... Oh wow. So it's made of leather. It's got a metal back. We have... It's retractable. We've got a pillow, a footrest, and it's easy to move around because it has wheels. Woo! That's it, guys. It's the Luck Racer gaming chair. I'm gonna put it together. Don't go away anywhere. Is that everything? Wait, what's this? What's that? Oh, okay. All right. Let's do this. Oh, guys, this is awesome. Yes. Ow, I hit my toe. Wow, this is great. Oh, it looks so professional. So how do we doing here? Ooh, oh. All right, where's the, oh, we have a footrest too. So guys, made out of leather. We got a footrest that comes out. It's a recliner. Can you see the footrest? Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. I guess I gotta move forward a little bit. Oh wow, it goes all the way back. I could get used to this, that's for sure. Wow. All right, so armrest, metal back, recliner, footrest, and then it also goes down. Get back in there. You can go up, up. If you want to be a bit taller. Oh, and you've got to put a lock on the oop. Well, I'm still getting used to my chair. And that's it, guys. I'm Natalia Moon. Thanks for watching my unboxing video of my first gaming chair. Woohoo!